Plant protein and watching calories. The perfect match. Protein from plants has awesome benefits for your health. They're really important for keeping your body and mind healthy. Your muscles need protein to get strong and firm, especially if you work out regularly. Protein also helps you feel full and satisfied after meals. This can make eating healthy easier and more fun every day. Lots of plants naturally have plenty of protein, making them a great choice. Choosing plant-based foods is a smart move for your diet and your overall health. It supports your overall health every day, helping you stay active and energetic. Eating fewer calories can be really good for your health and might even help you live longer. It can help you manage your weight effectively and for the long haul. Cutting down on calories can really improve your health markers over time. For example, it can help lower blood pressure, which is super important, or help you get better control of your blood sugar, which many people need. Lots of people have had success this way, reaching their goals. Focus on whole, nutrient-rich foods for the best results. Plant protein and a lower-calorie diet work great together. Plant-based foods are often naturally lower in calories, so they're ideal. They're also packed with essential nutrients that are important for your body. This combination is fantastic for your overall health. It helps you stay full longer. This makes it easier not to overeat. Managing your weight becomes more achievable and sustainable. For vegans, this way of eating is key to staying healthy and thriving. Choose plants for a life that's joyful, energetic, and healthy. Let's explore the top plant proteins that come from nature. Legumes are real protein powerhouses, and they're super nutritious too. Lentils, chickpeas, and black beans. These are all really good sources of protein. They also have lots of fiber, which is super important for our health. Fiber helps your digestion work a lot better. Fiber also helps you feel full for longer. Legumes are also super easy to turn into tasty meals. You can add them to soups, salads, and stews too. Tofu and tempeh are made from soybeans. Soybeans are what we call a complete protein. That means they have all the essential amino acids, which are like tiny building blocks your body needs. Tofu is soft and soaks up flavors really well. Tempeh is firm and has a nutty taste. Both are great for replacing meat in your meals. They're usually low in calories, and they're packed with high-quality protein. Quinoa is often called a super grain. It's also a complete protein. Other whole grains give us protein too, like oats, amaranth, and spelt. Nuts and seeds are like little nutritional gems, like chia seeds, hemp seeds, and pumpkin seeds. Almonds and walnuts are great choices too. They give you protein and healthy fats, perfect for adding to your daily meals. Here are some smart ways. How to add protein to your low-calorie vegan meals. Planning your meals is super important. This helps you make sure you get enough protein. Try to have a protein source in every meal, and in your healthy snacks too. This helps keep your energy steady. Plan your meals for the whole week. This makes healthy eating way easier. Make smart food swaps. Pick foods that are high in protein and low in calories. For example, you can use lentil pasta instead of regular wheat pasta, or snack on edamame instead of chips. Add beans to your salads. These small changes can make a big difference. They boost protein without adding lots of calories. Plant-based protein powders can help too, like pea, soy, or rice protein powders. These are super handy to use. You can add them to smoothies, or mix them into oatmeal or yogurt. They help boost your protein intake. But remember, whole foods are always best. Use these powders just to add a little extra. Section 4, Science Speaks Up. Proof that plant protein works. Studies show that plant protein helps you feel full longer. Feeling full longer means your tummy feels satisfied. Beans, for example, help you feel really full. They have a lot of protein and fiber. This combination helps you feel less hungry. Studies in science journals say the same thing. People who eat plant protein might eat less. This can help with losing weight and helps you keep a healthy weight. Plant protein helps muscles grow. Some people worry about the quality of plant protein, but studies show that muscles can still grow well. If you eat many different kinds of plant protein, eating different kinds means you get enough amino acids. Studies with athletes have shown this. Vegan athletes build strong muscles very well. Protein from soy, quinoa, and peas is very good. They help muscles recover well. Plant protein helps with managing weight. Many studies show that plant-based diets help you have a lower body mass index or BMI. The high fiber also helps with this. Alright, part 5. So, besides protein, what other cool stuff do these healthy foods have for us? Foods with protein from plants have tons of fiber. Fiber is super important for good digestion, you know. It helps you go to the bathroom regularly. Fiber is also food for the good tiny helpers, the good bacteria, in your tummy. A healthy gut with lots of good bacteria is super important. This really makes a big difference in how healthy you are. But most of us don't get enough fiber. The best way to get more fiber is to eat lots of fruits and vegetables. These foods also have lots of tiny but mighty nutrients, like tons and tons of vitamins and minerals. For example, you can find iron in lentils and spinach. Calcium is in tofu and dark green leafy veggies. And you can get zinc from beans, nuts, and seeds. These are super important. Your body really needs them. They help your body do all sorts of jobs. Just eat lots of different kinds of fruits and veggies, and you'll get all of them. So you get protein and all these extra good things. How cool is that? Plus, there are things called antioxidants and other special nutrients from plants. These things help protect the tiny little cells inside you. They help keep your cells from getting hurt. Fruits and veggies with lots of different colors have tons of these. So eating a rainbow of fruits and veggies is super good for you. Section 6. Getting past hurdles. Real tips for sticking with it. Some of you might worry about getting enough complete protein, especially when you first switch to plant-based eating. But guess what? That worry isn't really a big deal anymore thanks to all the cool stuff we've learned about food science. Most plant foods actually have all the essential amino acids. Those are like tiny building blocks for your body. The amounts might just be a little different in each food. Just by eating lots of different veggies, fruits, and beans each day, your body gets all the good stuff it needs. Our bodies are super smart. They can store and combine those amino acids, so don't worry, you'll get plenty. So you don't really have to worry about perfectly combining different proteins at every single meal. Now, what about that whole beans make you gassy thing? I've got some easy tips for that. It's true, beans and lentils can sometimes make some folks feel a bit bloated. That's because they're packed with fiber and some special types of carbs. First tip, make sure to soak your beans really well before you cook them. That helps a lot. If you use canned beans, make sure to rinse them really well to wash off extra salt. When you're starting out, try eating beans just a little bit at a time. This gives your body a chance to get used to them. Your tummy will get used to them, and they'll be easier to digest. Oh, and spices like ginger can also help your tummy feel better when you eat beans. Eating out when you're plant-based? That might sound a little tricky at first, huh? But you know what? Lots of restaurants have plant-based options now. Just look for dishes with beans, lentils, or tofu. Don't be shy about asking your server about what's in the dishes. You can even ask if they can change a dish a little to make it work for you. Salads can be super filling and tasty too. You can add things like chickpeas or quinoa to make your salad have more protein and taste even better. Part 7. Your journey to a healthier you, embracing plant-powered vitality. So, let's talk about all the wonderful benefits again, okay? Plant protein, especially when you're watching calories. This combination, it's a real game changer. It really helps you manage your weight and stay healthy. Plus, it gives your overall health a big boost. And it gives you clean energy that keeps you going all day long. You're getting protein, fiber, and so many good nutrients all wrapped up in a tasty package. It's like nature's gift to us. Remember, start with small, easy changes. Take it one step at a time. You don't have to flip your whole diet upside down overnight. Just begin by adding more plant-based foods to your meals. How about trying one new vegan recipe every week? Try swapping out an animal product like meat or dairy for a plant-based one. Those little steps, they add up to really big results. The real key is just sticking with it, day by day. Focus on all the amazing variety you to eat, not on what you're leaving out. A vegan diet is packed with so many different flavors and foods. Have fun exploring new tastes and all the different textures. And just enjoy the beautiful, bright colors of all those fruits and veggies. There are endless delicious recipes out there waiting for you. From hearty, warming stews to light, refreshing salads. And don't forget those amazing vegan burgers. It's time to embrace all that plant power today.